Welcome to the short LATEX training. And in today's training, we are going to discuss about the piecewise functions using array and cases. So that means how we can write the piecewise functions and using two method. One is array and another one is cases. So this training is provided on Overleaf. So let's move to the Overleaf. Okay, so this is the overlap system, and as it is a continuous practice of previous lectures, so we are doing in the same template, and we have already discussed this three topic. Now we have the fourth topic is piecewise functions using arrays and cases. So let's start with the begin aligned and end align. So if you don't need the equation number, then you can use align star and end align star. So let's say we have a function fx and we want to write this function fx in the form of the piecewise function, means two component or three component. So here's given this function is there. So fx is equal. Now we have a curly bracket and then this function when xy is not equal 0 0 and 0 when xy is equal 0 0. And if you see the coding here, so if you see the coding here, it is written CRLL. So that means it is how the alignment will be there. It is given like that. So it is written here CR. CR means central aligned and R is the left right aligned. And LL is there, but that is extra. Here is alignment is by this symbol. So there are one symbol. So the first one, the first component is aligned in the center. Second one is in the right. So we can change it here. Let's say it is, we can write it here, CC, and both will be aligned with the center. And if we say this is left and this is right, so since this second component is not much is big or no difference, so it will look like same. But if you take this first entries here, this 0 and this square root, you see that they are aligned in the left side. So accordingly, as per your requirement, you can write it like this. Okay, so here, as in the previous section, we discussed about the brackets and adjustment. You see that we have a left side, there is a curly bracket, but right side is empty. So that's why we put it here left, the curly bracket, and right is dot. And we use this array. So array is create a different documents with the matrix. So you can put more elements on that one. So now in this case, what we have put one extra here. So if you delete this is very much close is coming, overlapping with each other. So therefore, it is better to give another blank line. And for the blank line, we have to use this same pattern as the first and third equation, means this one and sign and rest is blank, and this create the blank space. So now if we have the same type of the things is there, we can use another method which is called cases, and both array and cases will be worked in the math mode. So you can work this one is instead of begin aligned and align, you can also do it in the math mode of the bracket by using the rectangular bracket. This also will work fine. Only the difference will be you will not get the equation number. So same way we can take another example, but using the case, and this case is more acceptable than the aligned, because you can see here. So yeah, if you see there, we don't put any curly bracket here for the case. So it is the chai math qx as it is here, and then this is equal, and then you have begin cases, end cases, and like that. So you see that here there is no curly bracket is provided, and the curly bracket is create automatically when you write the begin cases and end cases. Okay, so write this previous example, the first example using cases, and let's see how it is coming. So we just remove this command and see this. And this is coming. Okay, where is the problem here? Sorry, there is. So this is coming like this, and it's by default left aligned. So we cannot fix the alignment in the cases, but the advantage of the case is that you don't have to fix or bother about the curly bracket. Okay, in this case also, if you need one gap here, because if it is overlapping, if you feel that it is overlapping, you will just put a sentence, means blank sentence here. Okay, okay, that's all. So this is all about the uh, piecewise function using arrays and cases. And next we'll learn about the set theoretical notation. So that will be discussed in the next lecture.